till today is 3,207. 3,207. Number of persons tested negative 2,883. Number of test report awaiting till today is 311. And I'm happy to inform today that Meghalaya has no more active cases. 13, those 13, one deceased and 12 are fully recovered. All of them are fully recovered. Therefore, today from the government side, we declared that we don't have any single active case.